Philadelphia came up with the cheesesteak sandwich, right? And over here in New York, especially Harlem, this is where it originated. We're currently here at Harlem Taste. They originated what's called the chopped cheese. Now, what is the chopped cheese? Beautiful things happen at the bodega. And Harlem Taste over here decided that they're gonna go ahead and use hamburger meat, chop it up, you know what I mean, put it on the long torpedo roll, you know, make a sandwich out of it. You see that? That thing is right. Mm. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode on JL Jupiter TV. Currently here in Harlem. It's freezing, it is cold. Yeah, we definitely Harlem. This is my first time in Harlem too. Currently here in Harlem, New York City, to try out something that they're known for. You know, I've heard about this sandwich maybe a couple years ago, and I was always curious about what it is. They originated what's called the chopped cheese. Now, what is the chopped cheese? Chopped cheese, from what I'm hearing, is, you know, back in the day they wanted something late night. You know, they wanted the sandwich late night, and you know, what was open late night? The bodega. You know what I mean? Beautiful things happen at the bodega. Do me a favor, y'all, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and let's get it popping. We got the cheesesteak in Philly, and I heard y'all got this is the originator here.
We wanted to try. I live in New York for 10 years, but I have yet to try this place, so it's my first time trying it too.
Yeah.
Chopped cheese.
So they're about to make it right now. Okay. So we in here right now in the bodega, Harlem Taste, and yeah, this kind of remind me of my own bodega back at the crib. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna see. Let's see how it compares to a Philly cheesesteak. That's what everyone compares it to, a Philly cheesesteak. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Really no place to eat here, so we're just gonna make it do what it do. The guy says we can eat here, so we're going to take him up on that offer. Let me put this over here. We just posted up in the store. The dude said it was cool. Let me tell you something. I actually saw firsthand what the guy was doing, and I'm actually super excited about this sandwich because not only is it hamburger meat he chops up, right? He put onions in there, and then he tops it off with lettuce and whatnot, and the cheese, cheddar cheese that he's using. But the bread is the major key in this, you know what I mean? Because he actually put the bread in a panini presser. And I'm telling you, these bites right here is gonna be super crispy and filled with all the hamburger grease and the flavors all gonna soak into that bread. So I can see why chopped cheese is the shit. Y'all see that? That thing is right. Ooh-wee. This looks beautiful. I'm gonna tell you right now, the crispiness is gonna be amazing on this. Lettuce, tomato, onions. I can just see the grease just soaking into that bread, and that bread is pressed. That's the major key right there.
The hype's real.
I'm telling you. Let's do the first bite.
Perfectly seasoned. Oh, I'll take it.
Yeah. First thing you notice, you bite into the sandwich, you get that crunch. Then the seasoning for this is flavorful. You got the hamburger meat soaking into the bread, but then you get that cool texture from the lettuce, tomatoes, and there's like, I guess I don't know if you put mayonnaise in here or what, but this right here, I'm glad I came here to try the original. This right here is doing me right. This might be my new favorite sandwich in New York. I mean,
Definitely worth the trip.
puts the right amount of ketchup in there too.
What was the price on it? I paid in totals.
2 sandwiches, 2 drinks for $13. That's cheap. Especially in New York.
I was thinking it was gonna be like a roll, but I was wrong. That's what's up.
I need Jersey and Philly to come up with something like this. That panini or the bread, or the way they toast that's the game changer. Next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some peppers on mine. It's on fire and it's cheap. Yeah. You gonna hear it?
Yes. I'm sitting here.
Go ahead.
Yo, it's my first time too having it,
Y'all vote him in.
and it's delicious. Good call, JL. Good call.
Chopped cheese, changing my life.
It does. Don't get it twisted. Don't let me get political on you. I ain't gonna take
And it's easy to eat too.
I'm
Not messy or nothing.
You're right. I'm gonna keep listening to my ratchet trap music. Yeah.
Get you a chopped cheese, man, and make sure it don't cost no more than $5. All right. This is it, y'all. I'm out of here. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow the homie one time. We out.
Tomatoes.